Hey everyone, this is Dennis. I'm sitting here with Adam, and this will be the PipsMatter market analysis. And me and Adam are going to go over everything you need to know before you start trading today.
Good morning, everyone. So let's start with the latest news. First of all, I will start with the PipsMatter's new services, which will you know about in this week. But just a little heads up, there will be packages, affiliate links. So be here, and then we will keep you updated. That's for sure. Next to this, we have the Asian markets are mixed after yen hits a 5 months high, so it's pretty amazing what happened the last few days. And the dollar gains as 30-year treasury yield hits 3%, so more will come with this one.
Very good, very good. Okay, so we have trending stuff. Go over the trending stuff and what everyone missed, and then we'll go over the fundamental side.
Yeah, thank you, Dennis. So the trending stuff, we were speaking of a possible parity like back in the past, but now what happened is that Deutsche Bank said that euro would decline below $1 in 2017, which is kind of weird in my opinion.
Well, you know what?
Something else.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I would not trust a company that's about to get bankrupt.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying. That it's very weird that they are saying this one, so they are saying.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's go on. What you've missed, as it's only Tuesday, you have missed only yesterday. So basically, yesterday was a calm trading day with no such remarkable movement on the markets. One thing that's for sure is that DJT, the transport average of the Dow Jones, closed on an 18 months all-time high, thanks to the promises of Trump's policy. And of course, as I mentioned, the PipsMatter team has been working all day and all night. So just be here and we will keep you updated.
Yes, we will. Now, there's something I want to talk about Trump very quickly. Many people have seen the episode where Trump is president in Simpsons, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's very important to remember that I know it's silly to talk about this, but in that episode, when Arnold Schwarzenegger becomes president, he's actually taking over from the worst financial crisis America has ever gone from. So that's pretty interesting to know. We've been saying that something big is going to be happening. Anyway, let's go over to the fundamental side. Now, it's going to be a pretty busy day with plenty of important economic data being released. We have the quarter 3 GDP from Norway and Denmark, Swedish and UK CPI inflation data for October, German ZEW expectations, EU and Portuguese GDP data for quarter 3, and of course the retail sales in October, and I've got a hunch that they might just come out worse than expected. Now, moving over to the UK, at 9:30 GMT we have the UK CPI, which will be followed by the inflation data 30 minutes later at 10 a.m. In the US, like I said, we have retail sales and core retail sales. They will be released at 3:30 GMT PM. And of course they will attract attention. And it's important to remember that the market is right now pricing in a 90% rate increase for this December. This is big stuff, and there's very little that can support there's very little that can happen that would lower that significantly, and perhaps we could start with the retail sales, but we'll see. Now, moving over to New Zealand, I'm sure you all know that we've had a few earthquakes this week, pretty strong ones. The biggest one happening in New Zealand, causing a lot of damage, and a tsunami. Now, there is plenty of damage in many areas, and of course our prayers here from PipsMatter go to all the good people in New Zealand, and we really hope, well, we're sure they're all going to recover really well. Now, on the fundamental side, from New Zealand, we will see the GDT price index release. Now, it's tentative, so we don't exactly know when it will be released, but it will be released. We also have the quarterly retail sales, and there's a big drop expected to come out. Now, Adam has a trade on the Kiwi, right?
Yeah, I do have.
Okay, so Adam's going to go over the trade after. Right now, I'm going to go over Euro USD, but before I continue, when you come to our website and this little thing pops up, just simply press this, put in your name, put in your last name, put in your email, and press subscribe now. And we will provide you a hell of a lot of information. Now, you can also go here and share any articles that you like, or even better, just head over to Facebook and Twitter, type in the search PipsMatter, like and follow, and you'll be updated constantly. Anyhow, now there is a powerful indication that a rather quick move might just be happening on Euro USD. I don't think that there will be a breakout, but I do see, this is a daily chart, I do see price heading upwards to the 50% area, which is the 109 or 110. So we've already opened a buy position and we're just about 2 pips in negative, but okay, it's too soon to say anything. Now Adam's going to go over something beautiful on oil. Go on, Adam.
Thank you, Raj. So as you can see, it's the WTI daily chart, and after several days of slump, we can see that there was a hammer candle, a bullish reversal, which is on a daily chart. It's very powerful. Also, it's a very important area and the level for us. So me personally, I expect the WTI to rise higher.
Yes, it probably will. Hammer formation is pretty solid. Yeah, so that's really cool. Now, obviously, we will be talking about a few more trades, but just listen to this song real quick, and me and Adam are going to be right back.
Persecution you must bear. Win and lose, you've got to get your share. Got your mind set on a dream. You can get it, the hard it may seem now. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. But you must try and try, try and try. You'll succeed at last.
Okay, so like I said, there are plenty of good reasons why the USD might weaken today. Like I said before, well actually yesterday, Trump, of course, is an excellent businessman. He's acquired billions of dollars in revenue, has a gold lift and lots of gold things at his house. But he can't control his mouth very well. He says some pretty stupid, excuse my language, things. So you can expect lots of volatility from the USD prior to Trump's arrival. I mean, just on the weekend he said he's going to deport 3 million people. Okay? Now what else he could say? There is a lot of things. Okay? There is a lot of things, and I want to just show you something real quick. This is USD CHF. This is an 8-hour chart, and you can see that the price has been ranging in this area for quite some time. Here, you can clearly see it there. There, okay, there we go. Okay, so price has been going around this area. There is a double top. This is an 8-hour chart. If you go on the 4-hour, you still have it. There is a nice doji candle here, but like I said, just remember that this is an 8-hour chart, and every chart shows you something different. Right now, well, I see, yeah, possibly price heading a bit higher, but not past the 1 level, and then heading below again. It's important to know that this is a very powerful level, and it has been holding strong for a number of years now. Well, that's pretty much it. We won't be giving you any more trades out. We will be releasing some in our forums. Me and Adam wish you pretty much all the best, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so happy trading, all the best, and take care.
Goodbye.